English listening practice.
Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important: mental health. We all know how important it is to take care of our bodies. We eat healthy food, exercise, and rest when we are tired. But what about our minds? Just like our bodies, our minds need care too. Mental health is about how we think, feel, and act in our daily lives. When we have good mental health, we can handle stress, make good choices, and connect with others. First, let's talk about what mental health really means. Mental health is not just the absence of mental illness. It's about feeling good about yourself, managing your emotions, and building healthy relationships. We all have ups and downs, but if you're feeling sad or anxious most of the time, it could be a sign that you need some help. And that's okay. Asking for help when it comes to your mental health is a sign of strength, not weakness. Good mental health is important for everyone. When you feel good mentally, you are more likely to enjoy life and the people around you. You can focus better at work or school and handle life's challenges more easily. On the other hand, poor mental health can affect your physical health. Stress, anxiety, and depression can lead to sleep problems, headaches, and even heart disease. This is why it's so important to take care of your mind just like you take care of your body. So, how can we improve our mental health? Here are a few simple things we can do every day. First, try to get enough sleep. Sleep helps your brain rest and recover. Next, stay active. Exercise is not only good for your body, but it also helps reduce stress. Another tip is to talk to someone you trust when you're feeling down. Sharing your feelings can make a big difference. Finally, make time for activities that you enjoy, like reading, listening to music, or spending time with friends. In conclusion, mental health is just as important as physical health, and we should take care of it every day. Remember, it's okay to ask for help if you need it. Taking small steps, like getting enough rest, staying active, and talking to others, can make a big difference in how you feel. So, let's take action to improve our mental health and live happier, healthier lives. Thank you for listening, and I hope you feel inspired to take care of your mind starting today.